From this overview, you can drill in to get more details. Each pattern or word or particle here can be clicked on to bring up a definition box. For patterns, you'll see a description of the pattern and notes on its usage. On this line, we indicate the grammar difficulty level as defined by the National Institute of the Korean Language, and one or more broad use categories telling you the typical intention of the pattern. Click on these tabs at the top to see more info, such as more examples of the pattern in use. The references list contains links to pages about the pattern on other reference sites, or shows page numbers for the pattern in one or more Korean textbooks. Related patterns lists other grammar patterns related in some way to this one, and related explorations shows other sentences in your exploration history that use this pattern. The entries in all of these lists can be clicked on to explore them further.